Your flight is tomorrow. You're excited, nervous, and probably wondering, am I forgetting something? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact checklist of what every student must do 24 hours before flying abroad. From packing and paperwork to emotions and goodbyes, this video covers it all. Start with the most important thing, your documents. Make sure your passport, visa, flight ticket, university letter, insurance papers, and identification are all together. Keep a printed copy and a digital backup on your phone or Google Drive. Remember, at the airport, missing a single document can delay your entire journey. Next up, packing. Keep your luggage within the airline's weight limit, usually 23 kg for checked baggage and 7 kg for carry-on. Use vacuum bags or packing cubes, and remember, carry essentials in your hand luggage: charger, documents, medicines, and one extra outfit in case your suitcase gets delayed. Money matters. Exchange enough local currency before you leave, at least for your first week abroad. Carry a combination of cash, plus travel card, plus international debit card. Avoid last-minute exchange at airports. Rates are often higher. The night before your flight, charge all your devices: phone, power bank, and laptop. Download your destination's offline maps, airline app, and translation tools. Save copies of your boarding pass and hotel or university address, just in case you lose internet access. Double-check your flight timing, terminal, and baggage rules. Some airlines require online check-in 24 hours before departure. Do it now. Also, make sure liquids in your carry-on are under 100 ml and placed in a transparent bag. Security will thank you later. It's tempting to pull an all-nighter out of excitement, but don't. Sleep well, stay hydrated, and eat a light, balanced meal. A tired traveler makes more mistakes. Tomorrow, you'll thank yourself for this rest. Saying goodbye is never easy. Take a few quiet moments with your loved ones. It's okay to feel emotional. Remember, this isn't goodbye forever. It's see you soon with a dream in progress. Wake up early, double-check your bags, and arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before international flights. Keep your travel documents in your hand and stay calm through security. You're officially starting a new chapter, proud, prepared, and ready. And that's your final 24-hour checklist before flying abroad. If you found this helpful, drop it in the comments and share this video with a friend flying soon. Subscribe for more student travel tips. Your journey has just begun.